Namaste. Hamesha खुश रहो बिटिया. Myself, Dr. Gaurav Gupta, Assistant Professor, Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's practical session, we are going to discuss age estimation. Estimation of age is a very important aspect of identification. It is required many places to whether estimation of age is necessary or required to deliver the justice or for the identification purpose. Few examples are to distinguish whether the person is a minor or major, whether his age is permissible for marriage by law or not. In case of a lost person, it is also important to identify the found body or found person, whether the person is same or not. So it is very important in many aspects. So the age estimation can be done by using teeth or bones. So how age estimation is performed by using dental study. So usually there are in human beings there are two types of teeth that origins. One are deciduous or temporary teeth, and another one are permanent teeth. Their initiation of calcification, duration of eruption, and completion of calcification route is different for different type of teeth. So calcification and eruptions of deciduous teeth. If we discuss about deciduous teeth, then the type of tooth where its calcification begins, when its eruptions occurs, when calcification of root is completed, when resorption of root begins. This all is important in the estimation of age. So in case of central incisor, lower incisors begin to calcify at the age of 5 to 6 months and erupt at the age of 6 to 8 months. And calcification of root is completed at the age of 1.5 year to 2 years, and resorption of root begins at the age of fourth year. While in case of upper central incisors, calcification begins at the age of 5 to 6 months. Eruptions complete at 7 to 9 months. Calcification of root completes at the age of 1.5 to 2 years, and resorption of root begins at the age of 5 years. So if you observe that calcification, beginning of calcification in deciduous teeth is similar for all teeth, all tooths. It is 5 to 6 months, while they vary in the eruption stage, uh, calcification of root completion stage, and resorption of root step. So in lateral incisor, upper lateral incisor erupts at the age around 7 to 9 months, and calcification of root is completed at the age of 1.5 to 2 years, and resorption of root begins at the age of 5 years. While lower lateral incisor begins to erupt at the age of 10 to 12 months, and calcification of root is completed at age of 1.5 to 2 years, and resorption of root begins at the age of 5 years. First molar starts to erupt at the age of 12 to 14 months, while calcification is completed at the age of 2 to 2.5 years, and resorptions of root begins at the age of 6 years. Canine tooth starts to erupt at the age of 17 to 18 months. Their calcification of root is completed at the age of 2.5 to 3 years, and resorption of root begins at the age of 8 years. While in case of second molar, eruptions start at the age of 20 to 30 months. Calcification of root is completed at the age of 3 years, and resorption of root begins at the age of seventh year. This all is about deciduous teeth or temporary teeth. Whether in case of permanent teeth, the time period of beginning of calcification, the time period when the tooth starts to erupt, and when its calcification completed is different for different type of tooth. In case of first molar, the calcification begins at birth, while eruptions occur at the age of 6 to 7 years, and calcification is completed at the age of 9 to 10 years. Central incisors starts to calcify at the age of 3 to 4 months, while erupts at the age of 6 to 8 years, and calcification completes at the age of 10 years. Lateral incisors begins to calcify at the age of 1 year. They completely erupt at the age of 7 to 9 years, and calcification is completed at the age of 11 years. First bicuspid starts to calcify at the age of 1.5 years, erupts at an age of 9 to 11 years, and complete calcification is occurs at the age of 12 to 13 years. Second bicuspid starts to calcify at the age of 2 years, erupts at the age of 10 to 12 years, and calcification is completed at the age of 12 to 14 years. Canine teeth begins to calcify at the age of 4 to 5 months, erupts at the age of 11 to 12 years, and calcification is completed at the age of 12 to 13 years. Second molar, its calcification begins at the age of 2.5 to 3 years, erupts at the age of 12 to 14 years, and calcification is completed at the age of 14 to 16 years. Third molar starts to calcify at the age of 8 to 10 years. Eruptions starts at the age of 17 to 25 years, and calcification is completed at the age of 18 to 25 years. So with the help of tooth, when the calcification begins, when they erupt, when the calcification of root is completed, or when the resorption of root begins in case of deciduous teeth, can be helpful in the estimation of age, at least up to the age of 25 years. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.